Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Discord and going straight to user settings. Don't stall on account details. Once in settings, choose text and images on desktop or messages on mobile. This is where auto emoji features live. You need to know whether you're changing inline emoji replacement, automatic reactions, or both. Make sure your app is updated, then proceed to the messaging options so you can toggle the precise controls will change in the next step. Now you'll flip the switches that cause auto emoji. On desktop, under text and images, disable automatically convert emoticons to emoji and show emoji reactions. On mobile, open messages and turn off matching options. Once done, also inspect a server's notification settings or server-specific message settings because some servers can enable shortcuts. Take your time to test in a DM and a server channel so you confirm both inline replacement and reaction suggestion. Finish by restarting Discord to ensure changes apply globally. A simple reboot often resolves lingering behavior. If the toggles don't stick, clear the app cache and sign out then back in because cached preferences can override UI changes. Make sure your keyboard app or browser extension isn't inserting emoji. Disable those temporarily to isolate the cause. If all else fails, report a bug through Discord's support in settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.